You have to tell loudly because the voice that you are using will not be able to listen. Yeah.
One more time, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Rachel. I am from 9th standard. I prepared a model of how the paper is made out of and where does the river water come from. So that's all.
And they are found in the north and southern Africa. And the thorns protect them from attacking by the sandstorm and by preventing the monsters from taking
Good morning, sir. My name is Yamini from 9th standard. My topic is what happens if the genetic motor collides on land and ocean.
And these track fibers have to rub in and
Good morning, sir. My name is Gita. I am from 10th English medium. I am explaining about how does rainbow come to existence and why the thorns have cactus have thorns. Why does cactus have thorns?
Good morning, sir. I'm Sylvia. I'm from 9th standard. I'm explaining about how does chameleon change the color of his body. Good morning, sir. I'm Sylvia. I'm from 9th standard. I'm explaining about how does Good morning, sir. I am Sharmitra from 9th standard. I am explaining about why do bees collect honey and what is the reason for importance.
That one you tell later. No, that one you tell again. Once again, I'll come there.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vinita from 9th class. I am saying about why are they sweet and secret of
Also, I am Sharmitra from 9th standard. I am explaining about why does volcanism occur around Earth.